guide to show you how to use Zoom to record a PowerPoint presentation or any other on-screen presentation in a manner suitable for uploading to stream capture. So the first thing you would do would be to get your presentation ready, get your PowerPoint up in slideshow mode, and then open the Zoom app. Now I'm running this on a Mac, but you can do this on Windows. I don't think the interface will be very different. So you'd start with a new meeting. So just click on New Meeting. Then make sure the mic is not muted. If you want yourself to appear, you need the video camera to be on. Then click the green button that says Share Screen. You should see your PowerPoint showing up there. So there's other options. You can attach an iPad, a whiteboard. You choose Microsoft PowerPoint and click Share. Now you're sharing your screen and you should appear there in the corner. When you're ready to start your presentation, just hover your mouse above the green bit there and you'll get the option to record the screen. So you click on the three dots, it will give you the option to record the screen. So just click on Record. We're now recording. So this is your PowerPoint. You can flick through it slide by slide. You can annotate your slides. So if you just hover your mouse over the green bit there, you get the option to annotate. So you can, if you don't have a touch screen, it might be a bit fiddly, but you're able to add text or add annotations to your PowerPoint. So you can then clear all that and go back to your presentation. And then when you've finished, you just go back to the three dots up there and click, where is it? There. Click Stop Recording. Now you're no longer recording, so you can stop sharing your screen. My mouse pointer's disappeared, so that's not helpful. There it is. So you stop sharing. You can end the meeting because it's a meeting with yourself. No one else is here. Now Zoom will take a few minutes to actually convert that video. If it's a full lecture, it might take quite a while. But after it's done that, it'll give you an MP4 file. You can open that just to check it looks the way you want it to. So I'm going to put volume down, make sure that my videos, my face is up there in the corner and annotations are showing, my mouse is showing, resolution is okay. So when I'm happy with that, that's my MP4 file. I can then take that and upload it to Stream Capture. So if you just go to stream.live.ac.uk, this is where you would normally process your files. This time it won't have the file ready, you need to upload it. So just click on Upload. It'll be a video. You need to select the file. I'm not sure that's the right file, but let's say that was the file you wanted to upload. You click on that. Click to confirm you're the content owner. Once that's uploaded, you need to manually obviously add the title for your lecture, but then you need to assign it to your module. So you do that by adding a tag there and then saving it. Then, as usual, you would go to stream lectures and then add it to your lecture. So from this point onwards, Stream Capture would treat this just as any standard lecture. Now, the bonus is now you have it in MP4 format. You can change the resolution if you want. You can trim it. You can adjust it. You can crop it. You can format it. But generally, Zoom is okay. It'll give you reasonable resolution, reasonable screen, reasonable file size, and it'll upload to Stream Capture. If you have a good internet connection, it shouldn't take too long. So that was my my 5-minute guide using Zoom as a Stream Capture replacement. I hope you found it helpful.